All right, guys, we're at it again. My dad has an advantage because he's taller, so he gets all the top ones, while I'm stuck with all the ones on the ground.
I gotta pick the ones off the ground.
There's some good ones up there.
Yeah, man.
That's about as high as I can get right there.
Oh man, it just dropped me a huge one. I broke my toe on the way down. But there's one big one at the top. I don't know if I can get that far.
There's one right there, yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
There's like five of those that are huge. Oh. So we're back again. About halfway so far. And we really just started. We just started walking right there and we're up to here. So kind of going back and forth, back and forth. But those higher ones are pretty big. We're trying to get them before the heat wave comes. Here are a couple shriveled up. These are right outside my front door. You can see they're pretty small, but they're pretty tasty. But there's a little blue ones. Hello guys, good day. So they were actually supposed to come today to fix the well, but they did have to cancel. The rain is actually letting up a little bit. It was a lot harder than this. Woo! I should have got out here when it was raining even harder. It was pretty crazy. Woo-hoo. This is our new toilet area. That rain is coming down my back. Oh, it's cold. The ground is so dry that it's not absorbing the water. So look how easy it's kind of flooding. It doesn't take a lot of rain to flood. We actually just got our electricity back. It went out for like a few hours. But it really did let up. It was raining a lot harder not too long ago. So the company called earlier today and said they couldn't make it. They said they're gonna try to come tomorrow. Here's our well right here. That's about 87 feet. Oh, there's some lightning. I probably shouldn't be out here, but I love storms. But this is our well. It's around 87 feet. My grandma, her well is right there with the bucket. And I think that's like 60 something feet. So they're gonna try to come tomorrow. I explained the situation to them again today. They called and they didn't really sound too confident to fix it. We're hoping that they just need to go up or down with it. Probably down a little bit more, but we really hope they don't have to re-dig the whole thing, because that was like $5,000 or $6,000 when they put it in. So hopefully they just have to adjust it to make it a little deeper or something. So we're hoping this rain helps a little bit, but honestly, when we got back from our trip, the same problem happened. It was dry and we didn't use it for that whole time. So man, it's really coming down. Woo! This is awesome. Who else out there loves storms? I love any kind of storms. Let's go walk by the creek. Man, that rain is so cold when it hits your back. This is like a tiny umbrella. It's like made for the sun, I think. I don't even think it's a rain umbrella. You can hear the train in the background. Look at this. The water doesn't even sink into the ground. This is pretty deep. We're almost done splitting. Oh, wow. Woo, man. This is awesome. It's like a river by itself. Look at the ground. How many of you guys out there take walks in the rain like this? I love taking walks in the rain. I wish it was just a little bit warmer. Man, look at that. That's a lot of water. We did really need it. If it rains like this the whole day, our little creek down here really turns into a river. I wonder what the deer are up to when it rains like this. Where do they go hide? So all the water is coming down to the creek. It really just started, so I don't think the creek is going to be overflowing much. Which that side, it's a little bit higher, but this side is really nothing. It is a lot higher than it was yesterday. Wow, that lightning is not smart to be out here, so I'm probably going to get going up pretty soon. But it is a little bit of a difference, you can tell. But look at all this water. It's going right into the river. It's coming down this way. You can see all this rain. All the rain is coming down that hill. Coming down here. And then on that side, coming down that hill and staying right here, seeping right into the river. So it's not going to take very long for this to overflow. Alright, I'm going to walk through this way and then walk back. I'm getting so wet that it wouldn't even make a difference if I took this umbrella away. I'm just doing it for the camera. Walking outside in the rain without an umbrella is actually really fun, especially when it comes down this hard. I think in a different life, I would have been a storm chaser. Have you guys ever seen Twister or any storm chaser movies like that? I love that movie for different reasons, because I wanted to be a storm chaser. I always wanted to buy like some kind of vehicle, like a van, and drive around and just chase storms. Look at that water though. It is actually a pretty big difference just from yesterday. It was so low. There's pretty much no water in here. Now there's a lot. Hopefully you guys can see me. It's hard to tell if water's on the lens or not. It's really letting up now, so that lightning, man. Have you guys ever been struck by lightning before? I have not. I don't want to. I don't even know this umbrella is real metal. I think it's plastic. Man, it smells so fresh down here. After hiking, when it rains, that's like the best. It's just, everything is so fresh. It smells really good. But sometimes this whole area you can't even walk through. There's like a muddy area here, like a swamp area on this side, and then it meets the creek, the river, and all of this is flooded over. You can't even walk across. So right now you still can, but it won't surprise me if later on it does get flooded over or you can't take a walk. Gotta pay attention, I don't want to slip in. There's some debris. It must have came down the river a little bit. Wow. So you can see it's pretty high right here. I think I'm gonna make my way back up to the house. I saw what I wanted to see. I wish it was raining as hard as it was. I got out here too late. It was really coming down. Nice day for a stroll. Ah. That's crazy. I don't see any deer today. Listen to that thunder. Wow. So here's the wood we have left. That just needs to be cut and then we'll split that. Alright guys, that's about it. I think the horse of the rain is done for now unless it comes back later. So hopefully the well people come tomorrow and are able to fix the water. We'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. And we'll see you guys next video.